name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have my home office going on. Obviously, it's the holidays. I want to take time. Still, this is a time that people have a lot of time to think. And they're thinking about, gee, the things they got to fix, the things they got to do, get taken care of. And many people are thinking of their IRS tax debt. Believe it or not, this time of year, people are depressed. A lot of people are depressed about their tax bill. And a lot of people thinking, gee, I got to take care of my tax debt. This is something I need to do. And many people always want to think in their mind. They hear these ads, they hear these commercials, and they're thinking, gee, why can't I? What am I going to do? How do I can settle my debt? So what they're doing is they're searching for all these companies, and these companies are filing offers and compromises for them to settle the debt. The problem is they're not eligible. I was a former IRS agent. I worked over a decade at IRS. I've been in private practice for 41 years. I worked the offer and compromise program. I used to accept and deny offers and compromise. I actually taught the program at IRS at the Southeast Regional District in Atlanta, many years ago. So with that said, I want to tell you, if you're using a big box company that you see advertising all the time and it's not a professional firm, your chances of that offer get less and less and less, because someone really good isn't going to be working for a big box company like that. They're going to be out on their own. They usually get new people who are just learning the system. If you want an offer and compromise through, you've got to go really to a professional who's done this many times. The reason I can tell you that, I have a large Facebook group, over 5,000 professionals in the United States. I see what's going on, I see what people know, and I see all the calls that I get on my phone of people that have been ripped off. Let me tell you why offers go through. People file offers that have no idea what they're doing. People give them their 20% that goes to IRS. They pay the fee only to find out their offer's going south. And why is that? The offer formula is geared specifically on two things. They want to know what your asset base is, and they want to know what your income and expenses. There's a very specific formula for that. You cannot give IRS any less than your asset base. So let's say your asset base is $50,000, IRS discounts a residence 20%. But whether you got a pension, an IRA, anything, if you have $50,000, you cannot give IRS less than $50,000. You must give them your assets, because they're going to file a lien on that and they're not going to take less. The other thing they look at is your income and your expenses. They are going to limit the amount of expenses you can take because they have what's called a national standard program. You can Google it and find out what those expenses are. Just go ahead and Google IRS National Standards Program, and then you'll learn all about it. If you want an offer and compromise through, you have to go to people who know what the hell they're doing. You really do. I'm a former agent. I've done this, almost all my working life. Choose who you want, but make sure they have a lot of IRS experience. I wish you the very best. I wish you a happy holiday season. Give me a subscription if you would. I really appreciate it. I try to give you the inside knowledge and really good stuff. Thank you so much for listening today.